Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Dodge Durango. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a long Phillips head screwdriver or a T20 Torx bit with an extension. It's also crucial to park your vehicle on a flat surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall, and ensure your tire pressure is correct for accurate adjustments. Before making any adjustments, turn on your low beam headlights. Use tape to mark the center of each headlight beam on the wall. Next, measure the exact height from the ground to the center of your headlight bulbs. Transfer this measurement to the wall, drawing a horizontal line that will serve as your aiming reference point. Now, open your hood and look for the access hole located directly above each headlight assembly. This hole leads to the vertical adjustment screw. Carefully insert your long Phillips head screwdriver or T20 Torx bit. Turning the screw clockwise will raise the headlight beam, while turning it counterclockwise will lower it. Make small adjustments and recheck your aim. After adjusting, step back and observe the headlight beams on the wall. Ensure they are evenly aligned and meet your reference marks. It's important that the beams are not aimed too high, which could blind oncoming traffic. Finally, take your Durango for a short drive on a dark road to confirm your adjustments provide optimal visibility and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.